Hi yogis, thank you for joining me. Today I have very good Kriya that will energize the body but also leave you feeling very grounded and rooted in your own energy. And as you move throughout the world, you will feel that you're not gonna be pulled into other people's energy that much, that you can stay rooted in your own energy and you can be magnetic to the things that you want in your life. So let's start. First, we're gonna just warm up the body slightly, and we're gonna start with the Sufi grind here. So breathe in and out, and generous movement through the body here. This is just to warm up the spine and to let our energy know that we are starting to move our energy body here. And to the other side. And come to the center. Very good. Now let's start. First, we're gonna place our hands on here, on front of us, and we're gonna move to the front and back. And you can do a breath of fire, or if you want to take it further, you are gonna breathe through the O shape of mouth. Now breathe in, squeeze your mubam, push this energy up, and breathe out. Very good. Hands down to Gyan Mudra. Very good. Now we're moving on. Second exercise, we're gonna place our hand to the sides and we're gonna rotate them. And now you can choose the breath how you want to feel today. If you want to feel very calm and grounded, then start to pick up the pace with your hands, but to keep the breath super slow and deep here. And if you want to energize the body more, then start breathing to the O-shaped mouth again and super fast as the hands are moving fast as well. So the main thing here is that you find what is comfortable for you today and also listen to your body, what your body needs today. So go with the pace that is good for you. Bring your hands up, breathe in, squeeze your mubang, and breathe out. Very good. Ground yourself here for a moment. Very good. And the last exercise, we're gonna do the spinal flex, and we're doing with a very fast breath of fire. And again here, find the rhythm that is good for you today. Come to the center, breathe in. Squeeze your mubang. And breathe out. Hands to Gyan Mudra. And just witness, be in the presence. Feel your energy. And feel it rising. Breathe in and out. Thank you so much. I wish you have a beautiful day, and I hope you're feeling supercharged throughout the day.